Hello everyone, my name is Jake, and I'm excited to share the data visualization project I've created to explore the mass shooting incidences in the United States that have occurred up until October. So this project aims to provide an interactive and informative tool to help users understand the geographic distribution and details of these incidences. So, for this project, I used the gun violence dataset in the US from Kaggle. The dataset includes information up to October 20th of this year, which has the details of location, number of victims, suspects involved, and also the geographic coordinates. This dataset allowed me to create a visualization that is detailed and user friendly. So, here is my visualization. It centers around a Choropleth map of the United States. Each state is shaded based on the number of shootings using a color scale ranging from like a gray for 0 and then through shades of green. So the darkest of green has the most number of shootings so far. The max in this data set is 32. So that's why I have the bins split up this way. On top are the incidences plotted from the geographical coordinates from the dataset. So interactivity was a key focus of this project. So you can click on any of these red points to view details of the incident. So if we pick, let's say this one here in Utah, we see that it occurred on May 30th of 2024. It happened in Utah. We get the city or county. Sometimes in the data set it's either or. We see the victims killed, injured, and suspects arrested. So to aid in interactivity, if you click anywhere off the map, that tooltip goes away. And also, if you notice, in case you forget which point you have clicked, the color switches from red to blue. Sorry. So another portion of interactivity, if you wanted to kind of get a better look at some of these states that have a lot of incidences clustered around them, you can go here to the search bar. As you can see, I've been working. And you can type, let's try Illinois. So this will zoom in into Illinois, and you can kind of get a better view at where exactly these incidences are located and get a better view of each one. If you want to get back to the original map, you will just type in reset in the search. And now we are back to our full-size map. So from the visualization, you can see immediately, from a glance as a whole, we can see immediately that the states with the highest number of incidences are Illinois, California, Pennsylvania, and Texas and Florida, as you can see with the darkest shade of green. So also urban areas like Los Angeles, Chicago, and Miami show significant clusters of incidents, emphasizing the correlation between population density and shooting frequency. One of the biggest challenges I had when creating this visualization was attempting to implement a smooth transition. So when we type in a state, we kind of have this nice zoom feature. I was attempting to, when you would click off the screen, this zoom feature would go back to the map as a whole. Unfortunately, I was not able to figure that out, so the only way that I could reset this per se was just typing in reset in the search bar. I mean, I could have made it any term, but I just figured reset makes reset. So yeah, that's my visualization. Just wanted to make it something that was You could easily distinguish which states had the most number of shootings, and then if you wanted to take a deeper dive into each state, you could, and get a little more information about each incident. So that is my visualization, and thank you for watching.